In this section, as you can see, we can see the conveyor belt. It moves the bottles all the way down to the filling section. In the filling section in here, we have the feeder that moves the powder all the way down into the bottles. In here, we have a device that moves up the bottle and then pushes the liquid, the powder inside. And then after this section in here, we move forward all the way down to the capping section. In the capping section in here is a circular movement that what he does is that pushes the bottle in the molds, and then when we get in here, we can see the sensors. The sensors in here notifies this device, the device over there, the stopper, that we already have a bottle in place, which needs a rubber cover in it. So the device in here, what it does is just gets the rubber cup, and then this one with suction movement, it gets the cup, and then it places it on top of the bottle. In this section, we have the capping section. In the capping section, what we do is that we have the caps over here that they move all the way to this pipe. And then when it gets down here, when the bottle is placed, we just put the cap into the bottle, as we can see in here. The bottles now, with a circular movement, they move all the way down up to this device in here. With this device, what it does is actually has to seal down, pushes down the cap, and then it seals down the edges of the cap.